Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In this video, we are going to look at ordering large numbers using place values. Here we have a pile of apples. We count them and there are 127. We can split it up in the following way: 100 plus 20 plus 7. We can show this on an abacus, putting one bead on the hundreds column, 2 beads on the tens column, and 7 beads on the units column. This can work in reverse in the following way. In the hundreds column there are 2 beads, 4 on the tens column and 3 on the units. 200 plus 40 plus 3 makes 243. We can use the abacus to put numbers in order from smallest to biggest. This is called ascending order. First, we put each number onto its abacus. So, as before, with 125, there is 100, 2 tens, and 5 units. And with 241, 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 1 unit. We can now quickly fill in the remaining abacuses. Now that we have all the beads in place, we can compare the heights of corresponding places. We start with the largest place value first, the hundreds. You can see that the abacus with 4 beads on the hundreds column is the biggest number, and the abacus with 2 beads in the hundreds column is the next biggest. So they need to go at the far end. The other 3 abacuses have just 1 bead in the hundreds column. We then need to look at the tens column, and we notice that one of the abacuses has 4 beads, so this is the next biggest. The other 2 have 2 beads in the tens column. We don't know which is largest, so we will need to compare the units column. As you can see, one has 5 beads, whereas the other only has 4. So 125 is bigger than 124. The numbers have now been arranged in ascending order: 124, 125, 142, 241, and 412.